This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add your company logo in QuickBooks Desktop. First, understand that adding a logo personalizes your sales forms, like invoices and sales receipts, making them look more professional. This simple step helps reinforce your brand identity with every document you send. We will cover navigating to the right settings, uploading your image, and then fine-tuning its appearance. Let's get started on making your QuickBooks documents truly yours. To begin, open your QuickBooks Desktop application and ensure you are logged into your company file. Next, locate the Lists menu at the top of your screen. From the drop-down, select Templates. This action will open a window displaying all your available sales form templates. Choose the specific template you wish to customize, such as an invoice or sales receipt, by double-clicking it. Now, within the template editing window, you will see an option to use logo. Make sure this box is checked. Then, click the Select Logo button to open a file browser. Navigate to where your logo image is saved on your computer. Remember, QuickBooks supports common formats like JPEG, PNG, and GIF. Your logo file should also be smaller than 10 megabytes and have a color depth of 24 bits or less. Once your logo is uploaded, click the Layout Designer button to fine-tune its appearance. This tool allows you to drag and resize your logo directly on a preview of your sales form. You can position it exactly where you want it to appear. After making your adjustments, click OK in the Layout Designer, and then click OK again in the main template window to save all your changes. Your customized forms are now ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.